Welcome back, guys. Now I have another news for you. Right now, Binance Exchange suspended all the withdrawals from their exchange. I will show you each and everything. Before moving on, kindly subscribe our channel and also press the bell icon, because Expert Studio always take one of the best news, the realistic news, always for you related to crypto. So stay tuned with us. So right now the news is this, that Binance Exchange suspended all the withdrawals to stabilize BTC and Ethereum. Now you can see BTC withdrawals, basically it is showing wallet maintenance withdrawals suspended, and I will show you each and every coin over here. You can see from ADX coin, AGI, every coin basically suspended up. You are unable to withdraw your even single coin from Binance Exchange. They basically did this thing that right now you can see in the coin market cap at this time the price is going so much low that at this time BTC price is 5,914. It goes down up to about 24.75%, and Ethereum goes up to 32% down. So at this time you must have to take your whole funds in USDT, but hold your funds on the exchange. I'm not saying that you have to take the withdrawal at this time. Just hold your funds on the exchange, because very soon you can see the uptrend, because the market goes so much down. Now the whole downtrend, you can say, ended up. Now it is not going so much down. It is not going you can say down up to for example, BTC is not going to down $2,000, as some people are basically saying this thing again and again, that BTC will go down up to $2,000, but it is not possible in this era. So the only thing is this, you don't have to panic. You have to take your funds on the exchange, and when you see the market is stabilized, then you have to buy the tokens again. Right now it is going downtrend, so that's why Binance take a very good step, that it basically suspended all the funds. You are unable to withdraw even single penny from Binance Exchange. You only can do one thing. You can take your whole currency, you can take your whole funds in USDT and hold for the betterment. And when you see the betterment in the market, then you can buy all the coins again. So right now my recommendation is very simple, that you have to take your funds on the exchange. Don't try to be panicked. That everything will be solved maximum in next 2 or 3 days. You only have to do one thing. Just relax at your home. And secondly, you have to do the second thing. You have to take your whole funds in USDT for the betterment and for to secure your whole funds. So do one thing, just basically secure your funds to USDT and then stay for the betterment time. Thanks a lot.